Symbotic stock has been performing exceptionally well over the past month, up 82%. We just received a new price target. We're going to take a look at the justification for that price target and maybe try to understand more of why this company is doing so well. So we got a statement here from Oppenheimer saying they raised their price target from $35 a share to $54 a share. Oppenheimer raised this price target. The firm views headlines that Walmart has started testing deployments of dark stores or sites dedicated to online order fulfillment in Dallas and Bentonville as a positive for Symbotic following its acquisition of the retailer's automated pickup and delivery in January. While the transaction contemplated up to 400 APD systems representing up to $5 billion in backlog for Symbotic, Oppenheimer remains cautious on the pace of orders as the companies remain in the R&D phase of development. It views this strategy as potentially transformative for the retail space as companies harmonize real estate positions and the ongoing competition within e-commerce. So this is a huge new update for Symbotic that this robotics unit they bought from Walmart may pay off soon here as they're starting to roll out this new APT system that they're going to start to implement within these Walmart stores, which will automate their stores and enhance their capabilities using Symbotic technology in their products and systems. So this is a huge deal. So Oppenheimer is optimistic about this, and I'm optimistic about it as well. I own Symbotic stock. I've been tracking it for a while now on this channel. I bought it last year. Ignore these dates to the left here. They're not accurate, but that's when I updated them to my portfolio. And I own a little bit over $3,000 in Symbotic stock. As you can see, I'm up 140% on one of my positions. And then on my larger position, I'm up about 68% on it, a little bit over $1,000 gain. So I like Symbotic stock. It's one of those companies that I've been keeping up with for a while now, a little bit over 2 years. I'm very optimistic about the massive backlog that they have with Walmart, and I really like how the company is starting to increase their revenue at a rapid pace. And also, they announced they're rolling out their first green box warehouse with SoftBank, which they have a partnership with. But the main thing is we need to see Symbotic become profitable. That's the main thing that I would like to see within my investment thesis of Symbotic. They haven't been consistently profitable for multiple quarters yet, and that's their main concern as a company is can they be profitable. We have their next earnings report coming out pretty soon here. Wednesday, August 6th, 2025 will be their next earnings report. And so we have some pretty big expectations for Symbotic. I'd love to see them maybe break into profitability. If we take a look real quick at their last earnings report, they missed on EPS, but they beat revenue expectations. So they had an earnings per share of minus 4 cents. So we're looking at expectations over here, minus 1 cent for earnings per share and a revenue estimate of 533 million. Now EPS revisions over the last 90 days, 7 downwards revisions. So we'll see here. There was a concern in this last earnings report that Symbotic would be impacted in part by tariffs. So we'll have to see if that maybe cuts into their bottom line. But overall revenue growth has been consistent. We'll have to see what this next earnings report entails. But we got a nice little price target increase from Oppenheimer. I will definitely continue to own the stock. I plan on holding this company long term to see what they can do with this massive backlog they have with Walmart. You don't have to worry too much about revenue growth with this company, but we are looking for a break into profitability. That would be phenomenal, and it would be a lot easier to buy and hold this company long term if they could turn a profit. So let me know your thoughts in the comments if you have a similar opinion, or if you have a different one. If you got value from the video, consider subscribing. Y'all have a good one.